Ooh, look at that. I love it when they do that. The way the tail just kind of wiggles.
Hey, the Roboworm, which is America's #1 finesse worm. And I gotta say, it really is. If you can't wait for it, is fast forward to like the 3-minute mark. I exclusively was fishing Roboworm towards the end, and I hammered a bunch of bass. Granted, they were all small, but the day was dead until I switched over to this typical summer scenario, hot, fish are lethargic, you're tired, etc., stuff like that. The It's got a really cool profile. Half of the diameter of normal, super stretchy. I guess that's the roby part of it. You can It's got saltiness to the point you could easily rig it in the wacky style. But if you're in one of those moods where you just want to catch for whatever's biting, I often rig it like this. You would think because the hook is so far up the worm, you're going to miss hook sets with bass and stuff. But I don't, because they hail it. They basically just cut the whole thing down. And you'll find with being as narrow diameter as it is, you catch a ton of crappie and bluegill too. Great for one of those, I don't care what I'm catching, I just want to catch stuff days.
That's not what I was seeing jumping around. I can't tell if I have a fish in there or not. Or like a snapping turtle or something stupid. Okay. On the Roboworm. So it's a nice size worm. It's slimmer profile. Panfish will actually go for it too. It could be in there. Ooh, it's a toothy pickerel. What was that? Probably a bass, like this guy. Ugh. I'm not feeling pickled today. This Roboworm's doing great. And it's really, really durable. Dude, right through your tongue. Hi.